Oh. Oh, she's so big. Let go, Lewis. How about this one, Colin? This one. The brown one. Look at his nose. Whoa. His big tongue.
So big.
You gonna touch him?
Don't touch him. It's gonna bite you.
Gentle. Gentle.
Look at them kitty.
Oh, he loves salad.
Here, Lewis.
Good job, Lewis. Oh.
Wow, that's a big animal, huh?
Daddy's right here, Lewis.
Fine.
Oh, you gotta give other people a chance, I think, to feed too.
Oh, I'm gonna take it.
They like to eat.
Here, Colin. Here, Colin.
Mommy has it for you, son. With the other kids. Look at that tongue. Huge. It's for you, Colin. All yours, buddy. That's all I got, buddy.
No more.
You only milk a cow when it's a cow. You hear that cow moo, Johnny? The way that we get milk all year round.
Did you hear that move?
That was a good one.
Try it?
That was pretty awesome.
Try with mommy.
You gave those cows so.
Oh, yeah. You want me to do it? Oh, yeah.
Did he lick you? Yes, he did. Lewis, here, Lewis. Go ahead, Lewis.
So this is Lavender, this is Lily.
Let's
You want to feed the pigs, Colin? Okay, hold on. Hey, say something. Colin wants to go feed the pigs, too.
because they're really hungry.
All right,
Okay, let's
go
go.
feed the pigs.
Okay, try and feed them, Colin. See if they'll eat it, Colin. Be careful, Colin. Put your hand back. Put your hand back a little bit, Colin.
Oh, he's quite dirty, pigs.
I don't think the pigs would eat lettuce.
Yeah, I don't think he wants lettuce now. Yeah, he doesn't like lettuce. Let's save it for the cow then. Let's put it back for the cow. I think the cow will eat it. Lewis? Okay, let's go, Lewis. Okay, Colin. Good job, Colin.
That's all I have, buddy. Mommy has the rest of it.
Good job, Colin.
Have some more.
Okay.
Give me another one.
Share with Lewis, Colin.
Ow! Ow!
Good job, Colin. Can Lewis have a small one? Okay, thank you. Here you go, Lewis.
Uh-oh. I'm Peter. I'm this guy. Not a fear.
Try it, Colin. Be brave.
Lewis not scared, huh? Lewis is
Be brave.
Ow!
Good job! You're brave. Try that one.
I'm way.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
It's quite funny, huh? He has big wet tongues.
That's a red tongue.
Holstein's Black White Cows every 6 months produce about twice the amount of milk. Yeah. And sometimes they do it on 3 times a day schedule.
It's still licking.
It's a cow, Lewis. It's a big cow. Come on, touch.
No way.
Touch? Whoa.
Oh, what's that?
Can I
What's that, pig?
see? Can I see? Can I see that one?
Is that a pig, Lewis? To the pond?
Yeah, it's a pond. That's a children's room.
Those
These
are the
ones are
children?
children's.
Those are the children.
And that's called the little mommy.
The little mommy?
Yeah. That's can fly.
Oh, yes.
But it's not.
She's getting ready to fly.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Whoa. I can do it. Whoa.
They love walking around, huh, Colin?
Yeah, they like to walk around. Let's go over here. Move, Lewis. Look. Chicken?
Yeah, chicken. Yes, that's chicken.
Look what's over here.
Lewis, chicken now, chicken.
Chicken?
Lewis.
Eat your fries. Yummy.
What's that Colin doing? Colin's sleeping. Jeez.